What's going on YouTube? This is Dre the Plug coming at you guys with some more technical heat, and in this video I'm basically going to describe to you guys, show you guys how to actually add a laser to your project. So some of y'all may just be thinking like, what's the point of adding a laser? But more so, I'm gonna actually show you guys how to use a laser to pretty much connect an entire circuit. The laser will pretty much be replaced in the form of a wire. I'm actually show you guys what that means and how it could be extremely useful. So what I mean by a laser and adding it to a project, right? So everybody knows what a laser is. You typically pick one up, you know, immediately just start having fun with it by really just pointing it at all types of different things. But what's also cool about a laser is the fact that if you get really close up on it, you can clearly see how far it goes, and you can actually see the whole length from start to finish. But also you can use that in the form of a wire and replace a laser for a wire. So how I pretty much mentioned how you can see the length of it, you can pretty much stretch that as far as possible, and it can still be used as a wire. So that's what's so cool about having a laser replacing a wire. And in most cases, think about all of the times where you ever hear about alarm systems, or even up in like spy type movies where you will see lasers and they're pointed in different direction, and once somebody cross that laser, something instantly go off. So that's pretty much what I'm going to show you guys how to do right now in this video. Alright, so as you guys can see, this is pretty much how the laser is looking. S is for my signal. You see it's going all the way into my pin 6 right here, pin 6. And then right here for my middle one, I actually have that's yellow. It's actually going right here into my voltage 5. And then my orange one right here is actually going straight into my ground. My ground's right here. So that's pretty much how this whole thing is constructed. It's extremely simple. And this is pretty much my laser. You can see it work based on the light. Let me show you. Boom, and there go a visual example right there. Let me turn off the light real quick so you guys can see it. Yeah, man, it's actually pretty bright though. Like, this camera not even getting just how bright it really is, but it's a pretty bright light. But yeah, man. And the way that I'm gonna end up coding it is exactly like the light project that I ended up doing not too long ago, where I wanted my pin 6 to pretty much give off light, and I'm gonna use the exact same code. The only difference is the fact that it's a laser. Let's get into the code. Okay, so jumping into the code real quick, as you guys can see, this code looks exactly like the code that I had made when I was just showing you guys how to turn an LED on, and simply the only thing I changed was this right here, this laser from where I had LED pin. Like I say, as long as you stay consistent, whatever you name what you want to turn on, you can actually change whatever you want all throughout the code, as long as you stay consistent. I could just put X right here, X right here, X right here, and then it'll instantly just still work perfectly. So let's jump into it. So we got const int, we got laser equal to port 6. Could I have picked another number throughout the Arduino? I could have, but I just decided to just randomly pick 6, and I put comma. Then from there, I went to my pin mode where I have my voice set up, because I actually want to set up everything real quick. So I put pin mode. This is gonna let the Arduino know that this is where I want electricity to flow out. Then I have laser again because I want to tie it into that port, and then I want this to output electricity. I want electricity to come out of this port. That way it goes through the pin and then goes through the laser. So then from there I have my void loop, what I want to happen over and over again to actually make this laser stay on and stay working, right? The main thing I wanted to do. So I have digitalWrite, then I have laser, and then I have comma high. So the main key point right here is this high. So in C++ language, high just means to turn on. So that's pretty much your whole entire code from start to finish. And this is all you have to do. Like I say in all of my videos, you guys don't have to manually type this up. I'm gonna go ahead and copy and paste it, put it down in the treasure chest, so you guys could just copy and paste it to your project and just add a laser to your project instead of having to actually see if you guys could get it to work by yourselves. I got y'all, and that concludes the code. Okay, so jumping into it, so I could actually give you guys a legit demonstration like how I always do, by tying in 2 different types of electronics. So as you guys can see right here, this is your photoresistor. I already made a video about this. If you guys want to actually make electronics go off based off light, definitely go check out this video. This is the whole photoresistor right here. So as you guys can see, I have my laser and it's on. So I'm gonna show you guys typically how this is gonna work. So what I'm gonna do is actually point the laser directly on the photoresistor. That's not gonna make it go off at all. Everything is gonna be completely silent, right? And basically, if you was in a case scenario where an intruder actually crossed that laser, it'll trigger off a sound. So basically, I'm gonna show you guys an alarm system in a sense and just show you guys how I'm gonna go about doing it. So the first thing I'm gonna do is actually raise up my laser high enough to the point that it's over the resistor, right? Turn off my light real quick. As you guys can see it right there, you can clearly see the laser, right? So I'm gonna put it right there on top of it. Right there on top of it. And then I'm gonna turn on my actual speaker. So, like so. Nothing is being played. As you guys can see, nothing is being played right now. But the second I move it, and that concludes this video. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. It really do help the channel. Definitely go check out my Instagram, DredaPlug123. And then go also check out my other YouTube channel. I'll have it linked down below. This was the channel I started a little while ago. It's basically about barbering and basically giving your own self a fresh cut and looking nice when you step out the house. So definitely check out that channel. I do all types of different haircuts. And be looking forward for the next video that drop. And I'm out.